AI-powered robots are rapidly transforming the landscape of manual labor across various industries. Here's how they are shaping the future of work. 1. Automation of repetitive tasks. AI-powered robots excel at performing repetitive and monotonous tasks with precision and consistency. In manufacturing, robots can handle assembly line work, welding, painting, and packaging, improving efficiency and reducing human error. This allows human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks that require critical thinking and problem-solving. 2. Increased productivity. By automating manual labor, AI-powered robots can operate 24/7 without the need for breaks, increasing overall productivity. This is particularly beneficial in industries such as logistics and warehousing, where robots can handle tasks like sorting, picking, and moving goods, speeding up operations and reducing costs.
50.
Enhanced safety. In hazardous environments, such as construction sites, mines, and chemical plants, AI-powered robots can perform dangerous tasks, reducing the risk of injury to human workers. Robots can handle tasks like lifting heavy objects, working in extreme temperatures, and operating in confined spaces, ensuring a safer workplace. 4. Precision and accuracy. AI-powered robots are capable of performing tasks with a high level of precision and accuracy. In industries like healthcare and pharmaceuticals, robots can assist in delicate procedures, such as surgeries and drug manufacturing, ensuring consistent quality and reducing the margin for error. 5. Workforce transformation. The integration of AI-powered robots in manual labor is leading to a transformation of the workforce. While some jobs may be automated, new opportunities are emerging in areas such as robot maintenance, programming, and supervision. Workers will need to adapt by acquiring new skills and embracing continuous learning to stay relevant in an AI-driven job market. 6. Cost efficiency. The use of AI-powered robots can lead to significant cost savings for businesses. By reducing labor costs and minimizing downtime, companies can achieve higher profitability. Additionally, robots can work in environments that are challenging for humans, reducing the need for costly safety measures and equipment. 7. Ethical and social considerations. The rise of AI-powered robots in manual labor also raises ethical and social considerations. Ensuring fair treatment of displaced workers, addressing potential biases in robot deployment, and promoting equitable access to the benefits of automation are important aspects that need to be addressed by policymakers and industry leaders. In conclusion, AI-powered robots are revolutionizing manual labor by enhancing productivity, improving safety, and enabling greater precision. While they present significant opportunities, it is essential to navigate the challenges associated with workforce transformation and ethical considerations. The future of manual labor will likely see a harmonious integration of AI-powered robots and human workers, leading to more efficient and innovative workplaces. What are your thoughts on the impact of AI-powered robots on the future of work? How do you think industries will adapt to these changes?